So I'm here today. I'm about to eat some sushi, okay? Before I go to work. Because this is my job right here, okay? Y'all see? Mukbang. So what I got today, California rolls. See if you can see it. California rolls, yum. Got to tear them down. And I got me some lemon water. So this is my first meal for today because I'll get out of work till 10 o'clock and I won't be eating dinner like I did last night and it'll set in my throat all night, okay? I woke up and with the food still in my throat, so I'm gonna eat this sushi and then I'm gonna have my salad while when I go on my lunch break. And let's just get right into it. But actually, I think I need to bless my food first. So, Father God, please bless this food that I'm about to partake, because I'm about to tear it down. Y'all already know this. Amen. I love ginger, but this little bit right here, I ain't a fan of. It's so strong. I forgot what you call that green stuff. I forgot. I don't eat that much, that's why I can't remember what it is. All I know is it's strong. And I don't mess with that much, okay? But I have California rolls in their crib. This is the guy that made my sushi rolls. His daughter's on YouTube. And he showed me her page, so I followed her, of course. And she's only 11 years old, doing her thing, okay? No, don't start flying over my food now, trying to do my mukbang. So, I'm on my way to work. But on my way to work, all the time, I have on my work uniform, and people always want to talk to me about work. This is my job right here, YouTube. This is my job and my business. So if you want to talk to me about that, talk to me about that. But I don't want to talk to you about work. So that's what I say. I'm gonna start wearing my shirt so I can advertise, get followers too. And the man's gonna follow me, whose daughter, he wanna just talk to me about his daughter being on YouTube. And he's gonna give me one of his friends that's on YouTube too. And I'm gonna follow them, I'm gonna follow everybody. I forgot what you call this stuff, but it's so spicy. You can't put but a dab on it. It burns all the way through your nose, but yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it, it's just too strong for me. It's so good, y'all. Ginger the bomb. I ain't good at these chopsticks, but I'm learning. Yeah, I'm a ginger. I'm about to eat that. This is good, y'all. I'm gonna put the description of the name of this location, or maybe I'll let one of the people come over and tell me. No, I'm right here. I wanted to give you my YouTube channel too. I want you to tell my YouTubers your daughter's page. I was just telling them about your daughter.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Hey, YouTube.
Hey, my friend, 19 million.
Can you write? Oh my God, can you write his name down for me?
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you my page so you can follow me.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Food is awesome. Tell them the name of this restaurant.
Budi Sushi.
But it's Sushi. And what street is this?
Decatur Street.
This is Decatur Street, you guys.
Atlanta, Georgia.
Downtown by Greater Hospital, okay? This food is good.
I'll work for you, my friend.
Mm-hmm. No, that's it. Talk to me about my job. This is my job. I did good, y'all. I'm sushi everything. I don't eat a lot of rice because there's carbs, but I might find something else to eat on their menu. They got edamame. I love that. I don't know if y'all know about it. And a nice seaweed salad, baby. Let me tell y'all something about seaweed salad. So good. Let's see what my fortune cookie says. It says you will soon receive an usual gift of food for your health. Y'all know I'm always trying to figure out how to eat good. I'll take that. Let me try this with some soy sauce. I be trying to eat my little cookies. I like that. I reflect on it before I go to bed. This is something light before I go to work. I don't want to eat nothing heavy and be at work sleepy, so this is really like something good to get my day started, basically, because you eat something heavy and you got to go to work, you're going to be sleepy. I don't want to be sleepy at work. That's not fun. I don't even like hang out when I gotta go to work. I ain't about that life no more. I used to hang out and go to work like a champ. Baby, them days is over, okay? My cousin be trying to get me to go out. If I gotta go to work, baby, I'm not doing it, okay? No. Got that to the ground. I ain't gonna do it. Oh my God, it's so good. I love sushi, but I have to like find the ones that don't have so much rice. Or sometimes I just eat them like I am now, but I'm not having that much, so. This in the spot. I'm gonna do my seafood boil mukbang this weekend. Go on, honey. Trying to eat my food. Food is so good. No, y'all listen. Last night when I got home from work, I'm laying down after I had my nice little shower, you know, cooling out, and I'm laying down, and my son come running in there talking about a cat ran in the house. Guess where the cat was at? in my room, under my bed, where I'm laying on. He ended up with the broom trying to get the cat from under the bed. I'm under the cover like, oh no, I'm not doing the cat. The cat scratched me because he's scared. I said, son, you gonna hurry up and get that cat up out of here. So then he stands up, he was like, he ain't under there. Well, where is he? Because my closet, I have a walk-in closet and I have like my little thing I sit on, like you can't close my closet door because I got it in front of it. If your cat runs up in the closet, you gonna never get him out of there, putting them shoes and all that. So he looks, he's like, he in the bathroom. I look, oh my God, there was really a cat in my bathroom. I went back under the cover, I was like, son, please get the cat out of here right now. First of all, I'm allergic to cats and dogs. Second of all, I need you to watch what you're doing when you're coming in the house late at night. You don't let a cat up in the house, boy, stop. He finally got the cat out the house. He wasn't trying to pick the cat up, so he had to lure the cat out with food. I don't care how you get the cat out. Get the cat out, because I'm not sleeping under the cover all night because the cat in the house. Then I got to get up and go to work trying to figure out how I'm going to get up because the cat in the house. And you know, if a cat is scared and they don't know where they at or whatever, they could be defensive. I mean, a dog, any kind of animal, if they don't know, you know, their surroundings. So I'm not trying to get caught up in that in my own house. No, get him out of here. But he got him out. It was too funny because he wasn't trying to touch the cat. Oh, I don't know, I forgot what you call this little green stuff. I hope it don't burn. That's a little more than I had last time. Oh my God. But yeah, he finally got the cat out the house and out my room. Why don't you just run in the house and run straight to my room? You pass the kitchen where the food be at to come to my room, which is past his room. You come running straight through to my room. If I had saw that cat running into my room, man, I would have passed out. I would have passed out on sight. I'm telling y'all that right now. There's unfamiliar territory right there. You look up and see a cat. No. I'm good on that. Oh, well, I'm gonna get out of work to 10 tonight and 10 tomorrow night. Ooh. The burn, y'all. Oh. I don't need no more of that. Oh. Ooh, that's so burning. Oh my God. It tastes good, but it just burns so bad. I ain't trying that again. That was too much right there. My nose is burning. We're gonna be running in a few minutes. Well, I'm almost finished anyway. I'm gonna eat this last one. I'm about to go. I gotta go to work, y'all. But I wanted to do my mukbang because I gotta keep them coming. You know? This thing good. And my last one. I think I did good. I got nothing on my mouth. My lipstick still in place. Okay. So, it's just thumbs up from me, y'all. It was so fresh, so good. I got a little mess. That was so good. I'm ready for work now. So, let me see. Okay, you guys, so I'm about to go. I gotta go to work, okay? I'm finished with my job, which is YouTube and my business. I do that first and then I go to work. So I'm gonna say goodbye to you guys. Love you. Mwah. Like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification button. I'll see you next time. I'll be right here on my YouTube channel, okay? Smooches.